Hey, what's up? Are you not tired of dashcams reviews yet? This is one of the most popular devices on our channel, Tech Brothers, and we already have many videos about dashcams. In 2022, you can choose a dashcam for any taste, from budget to expensive, from single to triple. In this video, I want to tell you about dashcam with 4K front camera, 1080p rear camera, 3-inch touchscreen, GPS and Wi-Fi support. The dashcam is called Surfola SD810, and you can buy it for $150 on Amazon. I will leave the link in the description under the video. Okay, let's start the review with unboxing, and then we will look at the design of the dashcam, settings menu, app on smartphone and video quality of course. Please subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers and hit the bell icon to receive notifications about the new videos. When you buy the new Surfola dashcam, you will receive it in this box. Inside the box there is a dashcam itself and rear camera. Then we have a user manual, quick guide, windshield mount, car charger with additional USB port and a built-in GPS module, a long cable for connecting a rear camera, USB Type-C cable, 3M stickers and a jack tool. So there's everything you need for connecting and installing a dashcam, but you need to buy a memory card additionally. One of the main features of Surfola SD810 dashcam is 3-inch touchscreen. You know, this is probably the first dashcam with touchscreen I have ever tested. I have to say that the touchscreen is very convenient. I don't understand why other manufacturers use physical control buttons. Surfola dashcam has only one physical button on the left side. This is a power button. There's also a reset hole on the left side. On the right we have a memory card slot. On the top there's a microphone grill, windshield mount connector and 2 USB Type-C ports. The big speaker grill is located at the bottom. You know, the lens of Surfola SD810 dashcam is very large. This is because it has a viewing angle of 170 degrees. By the way, this is Sony STARVIS sensor with super night vision. Later we will check a video quality in low light conditions. Talking about rear camera, it has a rotatable sensor, USB Type-C port, and a 3M sticker to install a camera on the rear window. By the way, a manufacturer recommends installing this camera on the rear window, not above a license plate or anywhere else. Actually, this might be a problem, because I have tint on the rear window, which makes the video quality worse. By the way, because of the tinting, I cannot see well through the rear window at night. And I am not talking about camera. Unfortunately, in my car, the rear camera is useless at night. Okay, now let's take a look at the settings of Surfola SD810 dashcam. Before using a dashcam, you need to insert a memory card. Now we can see a remaining recording time in the top left corner. There is also a date and timestamps, as well as a speed at the bottom of the screen. If you tap on the display, you will see Wi-Fi icon, emergency video recording, start-stop video recording, microphone on-off, and settings menu. In the settings menu we have 4 sections, such as video, photo, playback, and stop. In setup we can go to the camera settings and system settings. The camera settings have a video and photos resolution. As you can see, a maximum video resolution is 4K, while a maximum photo resolution is 20 megapixels. Then we can choose a loop recording time, turn on/off audio recording, motion detection, change intensity of G sensor, parking guard, WDR, exposure, and encoding format. In the system settings we can turn on/off Wi-Fi, change auto power off time, screensaver time, turn on/off beep sound, boot sound, change language and frequency, date stamp, license plate number, license plate stamp, format memory card, and return default settings. Okay, now I want to turn on Wi-Fi on the dashcam and look at the app on smartphone. The app is called LuckyCam, and it is available on Android and iOS devices. In the app we can see live video from a dashcam. There is a big shutter button in the center to start video recording. We can change video resolution by pressing the button in the right top corner. In the settings menu we can change a Wi-Fi network name and password. In addition, we can choose a loop recording time, sensitivity of G sensor, video resolution, turn on/off motion detection, microphone sound, show date and time, WDR. The camera settings include auto power off, language, and parking mode. As already said, Surfola SD810 dashcam has built-in GPS. One of the main features of built-in GPS is the recording speed of the car on the dashcam. This can be proof that you were not speeding. Another feature is your driving route recording. However, if you want to track your driving route, you need to install the program on computer. Let's do this. The program on computer is called a GPSPlayer. When you open a recorded video on the dashcam using GPSPlayer, you see the speed, distance and driving route. As you can see, the program really works. It may be a useful feature for some. Finally, let's watch some videos that I shot with Surfola dashcam. Most videos are recorded in 4K 30 FPS, but you can also watch some 1080p 60 FPS videos. The video footage in 4K looks a little jerky because of the low frame rate, but overall the video is clear. You can see the license plates even at long distance. As I said before, because of the tinting on the rear window, the quality of the rear camera worse than it really is. If you don't have the tint of the rear window, you will have much better quality of the rear camera. So I really like Surfola SD810 dashcam. It has some features that are not available in other dashcam, such as a big 3-inch touch screen, built-in GPS and Wi-Fi. I think the rear camera is very useful, but first I need to remove the tint on the rear window so it doesn't ruin the video quality, especially at night. I also noticed a low frame rate at 4K resolution, but that's not a big problem. The video footage is clear, and this is the most important thing for road safety. If you want higher frame rate, then you can choose 1080p resolution with 60 FPS. Thank you for watching this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, Tech Brothers.